Hello, how are you? Welcome back in Hanan Kitchen. Good afternoon. Now we will cook fried chicken.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone, my friends. Assalamualaikum. Salamon. Now we are going to cook my own style homemade fried chicken. Hala bagi utbok chicken mashwaya. Mushroom with side dish of fried eggplant and french fries. So first and foremost, what you will do, my technique is, I'm going to pre-boil my chicken. So now I prepare for our lunch and I will show to you the chicken what I've made. You are going to pre-boil your chicken and then you are going to strain it so that it will sip the water. So when you prepare your pre-boiled chicken, you have to prepare your ingredients. So in my ingredients, I am not going to put one by one. So what I did is, I have half teaspoon of cinnamon, I have a half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of mixed spice, and I have my 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, which is very nice when it will come to taste. And then I have always my oyster sauce. Okay, what I did is already I mix all this one so that I can make it evenly put in my cooking. So I already mixed. So now this is the appearance. So I mix already. So and also I put half teaspoon of my what you call this one, anak, this yellow one, turmeric powder. Okay. So I mix it and it's ready for frying. So now I am going to fry this one. This is already cooked. So I have to put this. You see the first batch I am cooking. It looks like what you call this one, reddish. Why it is reddish? Because of this oyster sauce. I'm sure my children will love this one because they love to eat chicken. Okay, so we have to wait for sometimes about 10 minutes. You will not put this one in oil long time because you pre-boil already this one. That is why you will not consume much oil, and this is good for the health also. So frying chicken directly fresh into the oil will absorb more oil, but once you pre-boil the chicken, some oil will go off from the chicken meat. So we will wait for this one to become cooked. But I already prepared the first batch. Now you will see how nice it is. And this is our lunch for today. You see how looks nice. This is the finished product. This is the chicken. You see how it is. Wow, yummy. The fried eggplant. And this is my fries. And this is the Arabic bread. This is the one we are going to eat for lunch for today with a side dish of lettuce. So this fresh lettuce leaves is the one we are going to eat also. This is good lettuce is rich in calcium. So I encourage you to eat more lettuce. For those people who is having low calcium, you can eat fresh lettuce to increase your calcium in your body. So for now, we are going to close. We are going for uh, our prayer is already done. So I am late already. I am going to pray. So we are back to our procedure here. So this one. So waiting for this one only. But I have already my finished product, and we will go bye bye. So this is my son. This is
Bye.
Sulaiman, and this is my baby Wissam.
We don't want to talk.
Come here, Nana. So he don't want. He is angry.
If you like the video, put like and share and put subscribe.
Thank you. Bye. See you next time.